BPP or Kaplan, okay? I have actually used both of them. I know both of them. Throughout on Vertex, among all the ACCA papers, we use BPP book. Kaplan, I only use for AA and for AAA. That's all. All other books, I suggest students to follow BPP. I also follow BPP. Now, you might be asking that why do you recommend BPP? There should be some reason. Reason are there are two types. There are two books, okay? Study text and the practice kit. Let me first tell you with Kaplan study text. Kaplan study text is very easy to read, very straightforward, very simple, and very short. So when students, they see Kaplan study text, they find it very easy and they find it very interesting because they understood it very well. BPP textbook, it looks a little bit more difficult, but actually it is good because it is in more detail. So BPP study text provides you detailed explanation and they go into deep details. They do cover, many areas, complex areas. So I prefer, if you ask me the quality of writing, that is BPP has a better quality of writing. If I see Kaplan study text has been written by some child. I don't see it written. It is written by a child for some other children. That's all. But if you really want a professional study text, BPP has got better quality. This is about study text. About the kit questions. I know that why do I not like Kaplan kit questions? Kaplan kit, practice kit, there are two issues. Number one, there are mistakes. There are mistakes. This is number one. And number two, there are unnecessary twists. They try to make a question look difficult by complicating the language or by complicating the question in just trying to create a confusion in students' mind, which is not the ACCA style. If I really have to give you a difficult question, I should try the depth of your knowledge in that area, rather than twisting the words or jumbling the sentences and creating the situation look difficult just by use of wordings. This is what Kaplan does. Kaplan makes a question difficult by not touching the difficult or complex issues, rather by playing with the words, which is not the ACCA style. So the quality of Kaplan questions I do not like. So therefore, my personal opinion is that BPP provides a better quality of knowledge in terms of study text, which is written very well. And the questions are more ACCA exam style questions. And I have been following, I just used Kaplan one time in 2008 and 9. And then one time I again tried it in 2016. Here, it was my very careful opinion I should not follow it. Here, I again tried it, but I regretted. And then I never went back to Kaplan again. The only thing where I use Kaplan is, I use Kaplan in some other areas as well. For example, I use Kaplan for AA and AAA. I mean, I don't teach, but I suggest students to take AA, AAA from Kaplan. I use Kaplan sometimes for F5 practice questions, because F5 we need additional practice and Kaplan has good practice questions on F5. So this is the only thing where I recommend Kaplan. Otherwise, no more. You guys can pick up or choose